Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, do you want to learn English faster? Do you want to speak English with confidence? Today, I want to help you to improve your English. I have 10 great tips for you. These tips are simple and easy. They are perfect for the beginners. Then keep watching. Watch the video right till the end. You will find these tips very helpful. So let's start learning together. Tip number 1. Avoid perfection. Perfection does not exist. It is more important to be understood than to be perfect. Everyone makes mistakes, even in their native language. Okay, so don't worry about making mistakes. They are opportunity to learn and to improve. For example, think about German, Italian, French, or Chinese speakers. They also makes mistakes when they speak. So if you are learning English to communicate, do not stress about being perfect. Okay, remember, even native speaker makes mistakes. Okay, so just focus on being understood. Let me give you an example. Amazing, you say, you said that I go to shop yesterday. It is not correct, but people will understand that you go to soap. That is the most important part. Okay, later you can learn the correct word is went. So also mistakes helps you learn. When you make mistakes, okay, remember it, and next time you will try to say correctly. So it is a part of learning. Okay, so relax and speak without fear. Okay, your goal is to communicate, not to be perfect. So just keep that in your mind, keep practicing. Okay, and you will improve every day. Tip number 2, do shadowing exercise. This is a fun and effective way to improve your English. Shadowing means listening to speaker, okay, and say after listening to repeat the same words or sentences that you have learned, that you have heard. Okay, find any audio or video. It can be a short video, it can be a podcast, it can be a song. So listen carefully, very. Okay, then try to say exactly what you have learned, what you have heard. Copied them, their speed, their pronunciation. Okay, for example, if you are watching a video, you can pause after each sentences and repeat it. Okay, and if you are listening a podcast, you can try to speak along with the speaker. This helps you to practice listening skills as well as pronunciation skill at the same time. Shadowing is a very helpful technique because it helps to train your mouth to ears with the same time. Okay, and you also know the rhythm, speed, pronunciation. Okay, always you can speak in English with the help of others. So in this way your pronunciation is going to good. Okay, so yes, so do this exercise every day, even if it is just for a few minutes, but you will see a big improvement in your fluency or in your pronunciation. Remember, practice makes man perfect. Okay, so tip number 3, create story with new words. This is a fun way to learn and remember new vocabulary. Every time you learn new words, try to make a short story use of those words. For example, let's say you learn word dog, okay, happy, and play. You can make a simple story with the help of these words, like once upon a time there was a happy dog. The dog loved to play with a red ball. Every day, the happy dog play with a red balls. Okay, so creating a story helps you to understand how to use new words in sentences. It also makes learning English more interesting. When you make a story, it connects the word with a situation. Okay, and it is easy to remember them. You can write a story in your notebook. You can also tell a story with your friends, family member. Okay, the important thing is to use new words as much as possible. So the more you speak, the better you will learn it. Okay, so don't worry about making long story. Even short story going to help you. Okay, so just fun and be creative. This exercise will help you to learn new words faster and remember them. Okay, tip number 4, relax. It is very important to feel relaxed when you are learning a new language. Okay, when you are relaxed, your brain works better and ideas comes in your mind. Think about when you are learning a hard skill. When you are calm, you can remember words and speak more clearly. So try to stay relaxed when you are speaking is English, when you are learning English. Okay, okay. So first, take deep breath before you start speaking. Take you a deep breath, then, because it helps you to feel calm. Okay, and then remember, okay, if you speak in English, so if you will make mistakes, so it's okay, it is a part of learning. Do not feel shy just making a mistake, it's a part of learning. Okay, so don't worry about making mistakes while learning English. It's our part of learning this language. Now start practicing English with friends and family members. They can help you feel confident and relax. Okay, take your time, speak slowly and clearly. You don't need to rush to speak in English fluently. Okay, it is better to speak slowly and clearly. Okay, okay. So lastly, try to enjoy the process. Okay, learning a new language is a wonderful journey. Have fun. Remember, being relaxed helps you learn better and speak better. So take it easy and enjoy your English learning journey. Tip number 5, form conversation groups. Talking with other people is a great way to practice in English. When you talk to others, you can practice speaking and listening. This helps you improve faster. So for this, if you don't have any friend for learning this language, so you can find friend with some other like apps like PeerUp and CV. If you haven't watched my yesterday video, then don't worry, I will give that videos link in this video's description box, so that you can easily find your friend. And there are some friends just like you, there are some co-learners, they also want to improve their English. So yes, you can do conversation with them. So don't worry about you have no any friend with whom you can learn this language, you can practice in English. Okay, create some conversation group. And okay, and in this way you can also improve your English. If you find some friend that is who is willing to talk to you in English, then create your WhatsApp group, and yes, you can easily improve your English with the help of daily practicing, real practice with a person. Okay, so your goal is practice to speak in English. Do not worry if your sentence is not perfect, just try to communicate. Okay, tip number 6 is that practice role play. This is a fun way to practice in English. Okay, by acting out real life situations. So now there is a problem like how to do practice in a role play. So if you haven't watched my video, and yes, there is a website like English conversation practice. Okay, so this is a website. Okay, and if you haven't watched my yesterday video, don't worry, in that video link I will give in this video's description box, so that you can easily find English conversation practice. This is a website, you can download this is an app, you can download this app on your mobile phone and just try to practice role play. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. If you want to go any restaurants and how to order the food, so first you can say hello, I would like to drink a tea. Then the receptionist say, you can switch role to practice in a different scenario. Okay, and this helps you to comfortable to different type of conversation. Okay, it will also help you to learn new vocabulary, okay, phrases in a specific situation. Okay, so yes, you can choose your role according to your situation. So practice role play, it's a very useful habit, it's a very useful technique. Okay, and in this way you can easily improve your communication skill. You will feel more confident actually when you are switch the role, so you feel more confident while speaking in English. Okay, so now uh, use paraphonic techniques. Now the question is that paraphrasing technique, what is the paraphrasing technique? So the paraphrasing technique is that first you listen, then speak out in your own words. That is called paraphrasing technique. Okay. So if you read any article in anywhere, if you listen any audio or video, try to understand, try to listen that audio video, try to read that para, then try to speak out loud with your own words. That is called paraphrasing technique. This is a wonderful technique. Use this technique, and this technique will help you to listen and speak in English very confidently. Okay, because in this technique your mind will work how to think in English. Okay, so now paraphrasing technique, it's a wonderful technique. Okay, so yes, in this technique you can also help storytelling technique. Listen any story in English and read any story, and then try to tell that story in your own words. Okay, so this technique also helps you to practice speaking and organizing the words and sentences. You can learn new words, sentences and phrases to express your ideas. Okay, it improves your vocabulary, your ability to explain it. Okay, remember, your goal is to understand, express your thoughts and idea, okay, in a simple way. Don't worry about getting every detail. Okay, just focus the main point and practice using a story in your own words. Okay, so start using paraphrasing technique. It's a wonderful technique. Tip number 8, practice the expansion technique. This is a great way to improve your ability to describe things and add more details in the sentences. It helps you to speak more clearly. Here is I'm going to give you an example. Start with a simple sentence, then add more details to make it longer and more interesting. For example, start with the sentence, I have a dog. Okay, now let's expand this sentence. I have a white dog. Okay, so I add two detail. Okay, white and brave. Now add more detail, I have a big white dog. Okay, you see, we make the sentences much more interested by adding some details. This helps you to learn, describe things better and make your sentences richer. When you practice this technique, you are learning a detail naturally. It helps you think in English and improves your ability to describe things clearly. You can also write, expand its sentences in a notebook. This helps you see progress and gives you something to learn. Remember, the more you practice, the better you become. Okay, try to use this expansion technique every day. You will see a big improvement in your ability to express yourself in English. Tip number 9, be confident. Confidence is very important when you are learning new skill, when you are learning new language. Do not make fear of making mistakes and stop making, stop learning this language. Remember, making a mistake it's a part of learning. So first remember that everyone makes mistakes. Even native speaker also make mistakes. Okay, it is normal and it's okay. The most important thing is to communicate. Okay, people will understand you even if you make small mistakes. Okay, second, practice speaking as much you can. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Okay, talk to your friends, family, or even yourself. You can also talk to people online. Use some apps that I have shared with you so many times in my previous video. Focus on what you can do, not what you can't do. Okay, celebrate your progress even if it is small. Okay, every steps you take, it's a steps towards success. Okay, for example, if you learned 5 new words today, that is great. Be proud of yourself. Okay, okay, so don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learned at their own pace. Okay, some people learn faster and some people take more time. What matter is your progress. Keep practicing and you will get better. Okay, so use positive affirmation. Tell yourself, I can do it, I can learn it, and I am getting better every day. Okay, these positive vibes helps you feel more confident and more consistent. Remember, confidence comes when practice. You practice, the more you use English, the more you confident you feel. Don't we feel okay, I can't learn this language. Okay, so tip number 10 is practice, practice, practice. Okay, this is the last tip and most important tip, that is practice. Okay, I have shared with you so many tips, tricks, methods in my previous video, but at the end you have to follow all the methods. You have to apply all the methods on your learning journey. Okay, and if you are not getting interest to learn this language, then you cannot learn this language. Okay, so most and last thing is that practice. Okay, if you give your effort for learning this language, if you have a desire, then you can learn this language. There is no need for any tips, tricks, methods. You can find your way because there is a desire inside you. Okay, so just try to learn this language with consistency. Don't skip a single day. And if you learn this language without skipping any single day, so after 1 month you will feel you are improving. Your English is improving day by day. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my tips, tricks, methods. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.